it's the time to introduce the new petrol mild hybrid Volvo S90. This is the car on my right. So I will request Ritesh. Please come. Ritesh is our dealer principal, and I take pleasure of inviting him, and we would like to unveil this car for all of you. You all will be excited to know what is the pricing of this car. This beautiful S90, which the new petrol mild hybrid S90. This will be offered to our customers at an ex-showroom price of 61.9 lakhs. So this is something which is a very unique offering to our customers, and I am sure our customers will be excited to drive this car. And this is the price for that. Customers can take booking now for this car, get in touch with our dealership, and then accordingly dealership will plan the necessary deliveries. So that's about our first offering, the new petrol mild hybrid S90. Now switching gear to our next car, this is about hybrid Volvo XC60. Now as you see, the says that we are introducing a smarter XC60, similar to what we have explained in about S90. Once again, I request Ritesh to join me on the stage and help me unveil this car. Mild hybrids. With that, we move and we transit towards our journey from diesel to petrol, and in future it will move towards electrification as well. And you can see on this particular screen there is XC90. This mild hybrid petrol as XC90 will be launched soon, and you will get more information about that. So that completes our Volvo portfolio about the petrol cars. I'm sure you all will be interested to know in summary about what these two new members in our family are offering. So you can see on your screen all the features that I explained in a net summary. You can take a screenshot of that, and maybe definitely it will be useful for you if you're interested. And this is the overall offering that we are offering to our customers with these two new cars.
And tell about the two cars that we have launched today. And straightway I'm going to ask you the question. How do you place yourself in this particular segment with your competitors?
Okay. So first of all, thank you so much for welcoming me. It's always been a pleasure to come to Bangalore and meet all of you people. Thank you so much. And second, I think as you asked that the two cars that we have introduced, one is S90 new petrol mild hybrid, and the second one is XC60 new petrol mild hybrid. So these are the two cars which are introduced in India currently. These are the cars which are introduced, which are our move towards our transition from diesel to petrol. So with the introduction of these two cars, all our complete fleet moves towards petrol now. This car has got a lot of features which our customers have been liking in Volvo cars. You know, Volvo has been known for safety, sustainability and personal luxury to all our customers, and the car offers many features in line with that. To name a few, I definitely would like to add, one is this car has got Google Assistance. Second, this car has been added with advanced air cleaner system. And third, this also introduced BLIS, which is blind spot identification system, which gives a very safer ride. Apart from this, there are a lot of existing features which continue as part of the Volvo legacy, and they are already part of the car. So that's the thing. The car price is 61.9 lakhs ex-showroom. And during this festive season, we are also offering 3-year worry-free maintenance and wear and tear package at just cost of 75,000 rupees plus tax to our customers to make their ownership experience worry-free.
And second, sir, cars are now becoming smarter and smarter thanks to technology. And what is the exact USP of your cars in one tagline?
Exact USP of the car? See, Volvo is
a brand, I agree.
Our car follow the purpose which is defined by the organization. The company purpose is we need to provide a kind of personal. We want to provide sustainable, safe, sustainable and personal experience to all our customers in luxury segment. And all our cars and all of the features and services that we offer to our customer fall in line with the purpose that has been defined by the company.
Volvo, I think. What is the? Do you have any proposal to shift for electric motors?
Yes. To be very specific, I would say boldly yes, because if you follow globally, Volvo has announced that by 2030 all our cars will be electrified, and India is no different than that. So we will follow the pattern for India as well, and we have a direction to move towards electrification. Our first electric car will be launched next year, and you will soon you will hear more on that on an appropriate point of time.
And conversion about the existing fleets already on the road.
Our existing customers who have shown.
Yeah, exactly. All your fleet already on the road. It has to be converted into electric, no?
No.
So what you have that buyback facility?
Our customers have the existing fleet, and we continue to provide services to our customers. In case customer want to provide, which is even today it is happening. Customers don't own the car for a long time, so there are mechanisms available in order to support customer for maybe buying back their cars and then maybe offer them some other solution. But this would happen in the current way how it is happening, and we will continue to provide support to our existing customers as well.
It is totally a customer service centric.
Yes, sir. Volvo is a customer-centric brand, and we continue to do that.
And we wish you all the best.
Thank you so much, sir.